I received from New Jersey, Mr. Tim. Silk carpet. Smell terrible. The minute I opened the rug, I called Mr. Tim and I asked him, do you have a small dog or big dog? And he said, I have two dogs, but it's not the big one, it's the small one. Are you sure? He said, yes. And I said, no, it's the big one. Is the oil from his skin make the rug smell nasty? Maybe the small dog also use it sometimes, but overall is the big dog. From this moment, nobody touch the rug, nobody walk on the rug till it's dry tomorrow. When I finish here, I move to the next bay and I clean another rug. That's it. PetPeePee. I clean Oriental rug and I guarantee color will never run, and I will remove all the urine odor. No enzyme, no deodorize, no Chanel 5, none. What you should know about big dog versus a small dog. Small dog lift his leg and pee on the rug. A big dog almost never pee in the house. But the oil from his skin leaking you know where, this recipe will lead to the oil from the dog's skin, and the saliva will lead into the rug. Because if you pay attention, your dog will lay only on the rug because it's a comfortable. Pet owner that's own a dog, a big dog, will versus every 5 to 7 years the rug smell bad. PetPeePee. We clean Oriental rug, area rug, silk rug, and guarantee wet dog smell. Then this is 10 times harder than dog pee-pee or cat pee-pee. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the video.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.